Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search with now the Google Lens services on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. So in the first tab, open your web browser, then go to the google.com, and now it's very important step. Remember to switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on this small camera icon and choose upload a file. Allow permissions to the camera, and now you can choose some from the files or just pick the photo. If you're ready, click the accept icon, and now whole process starting automatically, and now we're looking for similar or the same picture in the Google Picture database. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.